PSLE 2025 Paper 2 Question 15. Mei Yi had some books. She put 7/9 of the books in 8 large boxes and 1/12 of the books in 3 small boxes. She donated the rest of the books. Part A, what fraction of the books were donated? Alright, she started off with 1 whole, minus away 7/9 of the books which she kept in large boxes, minus away 1/12 which she put in small boxes. Okay, now let's change this to common denominator times six minus 3/36. So it's 5/36. Okay, she donated 5/36 of the books. So the answer for part A is 5/36. Now let's move on to part B. Each large box contained the same number of books. What fraction of Mei Yi's books were put in each large box? Now we know that 7/9 of the books were put into 8 large boxes. So 7/9 of the books, and then we need to find one box, so divided by 8. Alright, to do a division for fraction, you swapped over, change 8 into 1/8. Right? 7/9 divided by 8 is equals to 7/9 times 1/8. That will give us 7/72. 7/72 of the books were put in each large box. This is our answer for part B. 7/72. Now let's move on to part C. There were 15 more books in each large box than in each small box. How many books did Mei Yi have at first? Okay, now let's do the same for small boxes. 1/12 were divided into 3 boxes. Alright, so divide by 3. It's the same as 1/12 times 1/3. That will give us 1/36. Alright, and then we know that there were 15 more books in large box than small box. So 7/72. This is the large box. This is the small box. Right, 7/72 minus 1/36. That will give us 7/72 minus 2/72. That's 5/72. What does that mean? 5/72 is the difference of books in the large box compared to the small box. So we know that 5 units is 15 books. Right? Total number of U is equals to 15/5. That's 3 books. And we need to look for 72U. Okay? 72U. This is the total number of books. So 72 times 3, that will give us 216. So this is our answer, 216 books at first.